Well, hello champions, and welcome back to It's DawnyWawnyTime. DawnyWawny is here today with a new video, and today's video is all about a small haul, y'all. Yes, a small haul. I was gone for about a month, but that didn't stop me from being in these stores. You know what I'm talking about? But y'all know a sister loves a good deal and a good bargain, honey, and that's exactly what I'm bringing you today. So let's go ahead and get started because I don't want this video to be too long. This video is all about TJ Maxx. Yes, that's my thumbnail, y'all. It's all about TJ Maxx. Lord Jesus. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I was just perusing in TJ Maxx. It's just a place that I go to regularly because you can find some really good things all throughout the departments, in all of the departments in TJ Maxx that are good, that have quality, and if you lucky enough and you come on the right day, you can find some really good steals on the clearance rack. So I found this little doohickey here. And what it is, and I'm sorry y'all, I have filmed this video like 3 times and I was having issues. I threw out the packaging. The video at one point was like too long and all that. But anyway, so that's why I don't have the packaging. But what this is a little storage unit thing that goes on the side of your refrigerator. You know how on our refrigerator we have magnets, we have notepads, we have all kind of stuff going on the refrigerator. That's like the hub of the home, so to speak, for things that you want to remember, so on and so forth. Well, this just helps you to keep yourself a little organized. And this goes on the top of the fridge. It lays on the top, okay? And then on the side, this panel comes down. And it has 3 nice pockets here. Okay, and then at the bottom it has 1 big pocket. And so what I've been using this for is to just put my notepads and pens so that when I'm on the phone I don't have to go roaming around trying to find a pen and so on and so forth. The things that I generally have magnetized on that side that have to do with pens and pencils and just anything I want to, you know, have in an organized place, I put it in here. So pretty much just has holes like notepads and pens. You know, it might have some little clips on it, cute little clips that have sayings and stuff on it. But it's really nice. Like I said, this flap goes on the top of the refrigerator and you put it to the side so that this is what's going to be coming down the side panel of the refrigerator. And I paid $6 for this on clearance. This is in a color that would match anyone's kitchen, in my opinion. This has a piece of cardboard or something inside of it, so to make sure that it stays laying flat on top of the refrigerator so that this can lay down the side quite nicely. And I have really been enjoying that. So that's one of the things I picked up. The next 2 items that I picked up are from OPI. The first item is the Manicure Pedicure by OPI Tropical Citrus Scrub. And what this is a scrub that you can use on your feet and on your hands for calluses and on your elbows. It's a scrub. I had no idea that OPI even made these type of products. So I was quite surprised to see this in store. Now you get 8.5 fluid ounces or 250 ml, and it smells nice, guys. It smells citrusy. Oh, and it's a clear gel. See? Okay, and it's not real harsh. Okay, so yes, I can see washing it. And you know what I may do with that, because I already have an exfoliator that I use on my feet. What I may do with this, since it's for the hands and the elbows and the feet, I may put this in a dispenser pump and put it in my bathroom, and when I wash my hands, I wash my hands with this, and that way every time I wash my hands I'm getting some exfoliation. Sound like a good idea. I think I'll do that. But it does smell really good. It has a really nice tropical scent, like you on the island somewhere. Okay, and then this was $5.99. And so then the next product is the Pedicure by OPI, and it's called Massage, and it's a massaging foot lotion, and that's what that looks like. And this was also $5.99. So I was just intrigued by these because, like I said, I did never know that OPI even made these type of products. So when I saw, oh, okay, and it's a nice, it's not real thick, but it's a nice lotion. Doesn't have much of a smell to it. Look at me, I'm putting it all on top of the exfoliator, but that's okay. I'm gonna wash my hands. It doesn't have much of a smell to it that I can smell, because I'm still smelling this one, which smells delightful. So yeah, I picked both of these up for $5.99 each, and we're gonna give them a try and see how they work, and I'll probably come back and do a review on them for you guys. The next thing that I picked up was, y'all, we going into the holiday time, right? And I am just a sucker for the holiday time. My birthday is 3 days before Christmas, so I am a fall winter baby. I love the fall. I love the winter. I don't like all that snow and ice, but I do just like the winter to be in like the sweater weather, and where you're I live in Tennessee, so we don't get real cold, but we do get cold enough where we can feel like we are in the winter, okay? And so TJ Maxx had this book by FAO Schwartz. Y'all remember the store FAO Schwartz? I want to say that they are still in business, but anyway, this is the night before Christmas, and it's made, this is very good binding on it. It's not leather, but it looks like leather, and I liked it because this looks like the old-fashioned type of Santa Claus. You know, he doesn't have on red and white. You know, it's a nostalgic book. You know, it's in the big writing, you know, and it's got the nice FAO nostalgic pictures and whatnot going on. And I thought this would be something really nice for my grandchildren. None of them are coming home for this Christmas, so this is probably something that my husband and I will sit up and I will read this to him, and who knows where we'll go after that reading. He don't care nothing about this. He'll just sit there and fake like he listening just for my purposes, and that's fine. You know, it'll be Christmas Eve. But yeah, it's illustrated by William Roger Snow, and Clement C. Moore put it together. So I paid $9.99 for this, and I thought it was well worth it. If for nothing else, during the holidays, it can just lay on my table, my coffee table, as just something that people can just say, oh wow, isn't that cool looking? It's very nostalgic. So I picked that up. The next item that I picked up was a makeup item. I had been eyeing this item. Oh, I've seen it in Marshalls, I've seen it in TJ Maxx, so on and so forth, and I've seen reviews on it on YouTube, and I just was like, okay, let me try it out. And this is the Glam Glow, what is it called? Glam Glow Powder. It's a highlight, a glow, and a softening highlight, and then it has hyaluronic acid infused, and so this is the packaging. And this was $19.99. Y'all know Glam Glow is expensive. Glam Glow is expensive. I haven't even opened this up. I don't even know what it looks like, but it just looks like something that I've seen on the videos on YouTube that it might work for me. It's a pretty packaging. You know, it feels kind of like rubbery. And so, and then this is the inside, and it goes hello sexy, and that's one of the things that most Glam Glow products have on their Glam Glow products have that little saying hello sexy when you open it up. But yeah, so I just thought it would be nice. So let's start over here. This one is called Pearl Glow, the middle one is Nude Glow, and then the one on this end is Sun Glow. And let me just give you a couple of quick swatches. And it's just something, you know, that I just said, okay, let's try it out. Oh, okay. It's not bad though. It's not bad at all. I thought that the white one was going to be ashy, but it's not. So right here we have, what is it called? The Pearl Glow is right here, and you see how it has like a little pink shift to it, and it doesn't look ashy at all. And then this middle one is called Nude Glow, and then the final one over here is called Sun Glow. So yeah, so I'm going to give these a try, and if nothing else, they look like they're quite subtle. They look like they can build up pretty well, and I'm just trying to yeah, they're like a subtle glow. They're not banging. See, I've kind of blended it out a little bit, and they look like they might work for me. So we're gonna give it a try and see what it does. I'm not too keen on Glam Glow's skincare products, because every product that I have tried by them, it broke me out. And I wanted to love the products, but they broke me out. So I don't have problematic skin, so anything that I put on my skin and it breaks me out, I leave it alone, because like I said, I don't have problematic skin. But I think this is gonna work, guys. That's pretty. Okay, and then this I got from Marshall's. Okay, this is the Peter Thomas Un-wrinkle Peel Pads, and that's what that looks like. My skin loves these Peter Thomas Peel Pads. I have been using these off and on. They're no longer for sale at Sephora, I do not think. But this thing is filled with all kinds of good things for your skin, and pretty much it has AHAs and BHAs and all those good things, vitamin A and D and E and all that in it. And pretty much what this is, it's an exfoliator for your skin. But you not only can use it on your face, but you can use it on your hands, you can use it on your feet, you can use it on your elbows. You can use this anywhere that you feel like that you need some exfoliation, but you want to get that peel type of exfoliation going on. Now you do have to be careful with it if you've never had any type of peel pads, or you've never experienced or used any type of peel pads. Not that it peels off, but I'm talking about exfoliating, because this has quite a bit of AHA and BHA in it, and so therefore it can be harsh, but I'm used to them. This thing originally is 60 bucks when it was at Sephora, but it was $23.99 at Marshall's, and I jumped on it. Now what I do is, there's 60 pads in here, and so what I do is I take and I cut the pads in half because they're so saturated. And let me give you guys a tip: whenever you have something that has solution in it, whether it's makeup pads, whether it's toner pads, or anything that has some type of solution, if you store it upside down, then the solution will always drain to the top, which means that the very first one will always be wet. The one on top will always be nice and wet and juicy when you get ready to use it. So my suggestion is not to store the items like this, right side up, because then it just drains down, and so whatever's on top will eventually get dry. Okay, so if you just store it upside down, and you'll always have a nice juicy pad to use. Okay, so but yeah, my skin loves this. Actually, I bought 2 of them, so I got 2 for less than 1 at the original price of $60, because 1 at Marshall's is $23.99. So I cannot wait to get started on these, because I'm already finishing up. The Fresh has one, but it's much milder, and it's like a toner, and I use this as a toner as well. And so I'm finishing that one up, and then I'll be starting right into this baby. So yeah, I was excited about that. And then the next item that I picked up was this little storage bin. It's pink, it's girly looking. It has the little handles that are built in, so to speak. It's a nice size, and this was on clearance for $4.50. And I can always use these type of little storage bins. I use them in my kitchen, in my cabinets to store different things in them, in my bathrooms, in my beauty room, of course. I can always find a place for these, and I thought that this was a really good bargain at clearance out at $4.50. So I picked that up as well. And then This is from Walgreens. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all out of the fan. I was just in Walgreens. I went in there to get something. I don't know. I can't remember. But anyway, I can't go in a stinking store and not go into clearance, see what's on clearance. Well, anyway, they had this brow tool kit on clearance for $3.49 by Kiss. So I picked that up. I felt that this would be a good little thing to travel with, so that I don't have to take the tools that are bigger or the ones that I don't really want to misplace or take the chance of losing or however, whatever. This was regular, I want to say $12, $11.99. I picked it up for $3.49, so I picked it up. It has a spoolie brush, a scissor comb, a razor, and tweezers. And those are all of the items in there, and they show you how to use them. So I thought that was a good deal on that. And then the final thing that I picked up was this beautiful picture from TJ Maxx, and I just picked it up because I thought that it was really a nice picture. It was $16.99, and it's by Oliver. And Oliver, I have 2 other prints from him as well, but I just thought she just looked so nice and serene. She is in her normal. She looks to be comfortable with her litigo, I think it's called, going on with her skin, but she looks to be that she's just comfortable in her own skin, and that is something that I promote. So I had to pick this up, and this will be going in my beauty room. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I picked up from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Walgreens. Just a few little items, not much, but some different things. You know what I'm saying? My world is not all about beauty and makeup. My world is all about Donnie's world. And Donnie's world is comprised of many different things. There are many different facets to me. And so hopefully you guys will get to see that. My ride or die people, I'm sure y'all have seen many different facets of me. We do have some new champions to the family, so I want to welcome you and thank you for being a part of the champion family, because here we are all champions. Okay, if you just happened up on my channel and you like what you see so far, please hit that subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything, and it will help a sister out. If you feel so inclined, please like this video. Give it a thumbs up, because that helps a sister out with the analytics. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, guys, and I am so stinking excited about that. I am excited about my channel. I'm excited about coming back and doing videos. I'll have another conversation with you guys about my hit or miss this year, because I have been hit or miss. It's just been a lot going on in my world, but I'm here. And I plan to be more consistent on my channel. So with that being said, please take the time to smile today, because it's always sunshine in a smile. And until the next video, mwah, smooches. And where is my doggone thing to turn it off, baby? Turn it off.